In this concept of attempts to simplify algebra, so without wasting much time, let's start with directed numbers as a way of opening up into algebra. So we look at directed numbers. Directed numbers. Now, what are these directed numbers? What are these directed numbers? Directed numbers are numbers that have signs that they carry. For instance, you know that usually in our numbers, we will learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like that, and like that. That is when we start to learn how to write 1, 2, 3. These are all positive numbers. But we are not used to saying, if I say count 1, 2, 3 for me, we won't be used to say +1, +2, +3, +4. No. We just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Because when numbers are carrying positive values, we are not used to writing them. It is not necessary for you to put the positive sign there. Like this one now. This 1 is the same thing as +1. This 2 is the same thing as +2. This 3 is the same thing as +3. So we just continue like that and like that. So you just discover that since they are plus, we are used to writing them 1, 2, 3, and that is why when we read our 1, 2, 3, we just read 1 to any number that we want to call. But there are other signs that a figure can carry. It is possible for a number to be negative instead of just positive. For instance, we have -1, -2, -3, and like that, and like that, and like that. So when you have figures that are carrying these signs, you must not write them without the sign, unlike the plus. So that is the major difference. So we cannot say 1, 2, 3 when they are actually supposed to carry -1, -2, -3. So we must attach minus sign. They are very, very important and very, very dangerous when you leave them alone. So what do? We come back to the positive ones. You know, when we are small, we will now say 1 + 1 is equal to what? 2. 2 + 2 is equal to what? 4. We are used to that. But when all these numbers that are positive, they are the when they become negative, and we now want to carry out this addition or subtraction as the case may be, then many people now become confused. Now, it is that we want to really attend to, because these are what we address under directed numbers.